So just aim to the left side of the bowling pin, in the same spot, but to the left side. Hold on, let me.
Hold on, let's take a drink. Can't do this without drinking.
Right. You're up, Phil. Number 2, Phil Chambers.
All right.
Pin. What are you aiming at? The pin, and then I went left, and then it knocked the pin over. So you just need to aim. Just go ahead and start again. Just aim. Have you aimed right at it yet?
That first time when I was hitting the board or the bark was.
Oh, well, aim right at it again then. Phil Chambers, number 3.
Hey. It smoked a lot. Shit. I think you hit it. Holy shit.
Look at the log.
I know, that thing, splinters went everywhere, man. How much did you mix up? I'm leaving my camera on. That was cool.
That was.
Man.
Oh, wow. I gotta get my after pictures
Some firewood.
Did I have your guy?
I think I did again.
I don't know what I did, but that was pretty cool. Marksman Mark.
YHM factory.
Goodbye.